my channel. I know you guys might have been thinking that where I am, why I haven't posted any video for a while, or I am deceiving you by subscribing you to my channel. Certainly not. Actually, I am a little busy in my personal life, as well as it's my final year of my master degree course, so lots of things are happening. But I will try my best to upload at least one video per week. So please show your love, keep supporting, and with your support we have crossed 100 subscribers in my channel, and it's a huge thing for me. Thank you so much. Now coming up to today's video, today I have came up with a new DIY in which we are going to make some home decor or some wall hangings, and going to explore a new type of art which is called Warli art. It's basically a tribal art practiced in Maharashtra, and yup, it is the easiest painting that you can try today. Those who are not very much comfortable in painting, I will recommend you guys to try this Warli art once. But before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and kill your boredom. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social medias. Now, without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. So to make these unique wall hangings, we need some cardboards which you can easily find at your home, and I have cut these cardboards into this size. Then you need some papers. You can use any kind of paper like art paper, canvas roll. Now some sellotape, some glue, and a scissor. For the next step, we are going to cover these cardboard pieces with this paper. I have mentioned all the measurement and other details in the description box, so make sure you check it. Magic! I have covered all the cardboards with the paper. As you can see, to make it more strong and to make it more secure, I have sealed it with scotch tape. As I'm ready with the pieces, now I'm going to paint these with fabric colors. You can use any other colors you have, like watercolor or acrylic colors, whatever color you are comfortable with. Here I have mixed 2 and more colors together, like blue, yellow, brown, red, and a little bit of white, and made this color. Now I will spread the color all over the surface. Like this, I will paint the other pieces too with different colors. Ta-da! Here they are, and it is the time we are going to make the Warli art. At first, I have sketched the outline with a pencil. Here I am using white fabric color and a 000 round brush for the painting. So Warli painting is a form of tribal art mostly created by the tribal people from North Sahyadri range in Maharashtra. Actually, Maharashtra is known for its Warli folk paintings. These paintings are beautifully executed and resembles prehistoric cave paintings in execution, and usually depict the scenes of human figures engaged in activities like hunting, dancing, showing, and harvesting. One other interesting thing about Warli art is that it uses the basic shapes such as triangles, circles, and squares. As you can see, these shapes come from their simple understanding of nature, such as circles are derived from sun and moon, and for those people these things are a direct and visible aspect of nature outside their world. So this vivid expression of daily and social events of the Warli tribe of Maharashtra used by them to glorify their walls of village houses, and it's one of the most easiest folk art that you can try today. Now I will paint this rest of these pieces with the same Warli art. Can you see how beautiful these paintings are? It's very simple, but it is unique in their own way. Now to use this as a home decor or to hang it upon the wall, I am going to use a different way. Those who are not very comfortable to pin their walls, they can use this way to hang these wall hangings. As you can see here, I'm gonna use this double-sided tape. I will cut this tape and will stick these in the two ends. Like so, I have stick the double-sided tape in all the pieces. Now it's time to stick it up on the wall. And after sticking it on the wall, it is looking something like this. This is the final product. Try your version today and don't forget to share it with me. I hope you have find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. Also subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back soon with a new one. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.